Alrighty, y'all, now that I got my mixed cheddar bay biscuits into the bottom of my jumbo muffin tin, I'm just coming in with some eggs here. I've got 6 eggs there, and I'm gonna add in some granulated garlic, some granulated onion powder, a little touch of salt here, and just a touch of pepper. Woo. All right, guys, let's get this all mixed up. Now, with these biscuits, I wanted them to be super fluffy, so instead of the cold water, I decided to use a cup of cold milk. But other than that, we just followed the recipe on the box, and now we're just scrambling up our eggs. I'm just using 6 eggs for my 6 slots of my jumbo muffins. But if you want this to be a little bit heavier on the eggs, you can always go with 8. You can make this same recipe in a 13 by 9. But I like this in individual portions like this. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pour this over each biscuit. Beautiful. And I got a little heavy on those front biscuits. Alrighty, now I've got some pre-cooked pieces of bacon here. We just cooked these in the microwave, and they're not super crispy, but I figured that's gonna be just fine because we're gonna be cooking them more in here with our eggs and our biscuits. Now I've got 3 pieces in my hand right here, and there we go. I got 2 more pieces. We just, did 5 pieces in the microwave, pre-cooking them for this very special occasion of deliciousness, if y'all know what I mean. And I can't wait for you to see how these biscuits bake up and just become super, super tasty and delicious. You could always use a sausage in here if you want. So many possibilities. All right, we're coming in with some more of that sharp cheddar that we used in our cheddar bay biscuit mix. And I'm just gonna top a little bit on top of each of our individual muffins here. You guys, this is one of my all-time favorite breakfasts. You can, like I said, you can make this in a 13 by 9. It's, great as a casserole, but I liked it so much, I decided I was gonna make it into individual cups for myself so I could eat one a day during the week and just have a great breakfast on the go to grab and go. So those biscuits are gonna bake up, become super fluffy, super delicious. We've got our eggs in here, bacon for protein, and a little bit of that cheese. I'm gonna pop these in my oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. Alrighty, guys. Our delicious bacon, egg, and cheese muffins are ready. I took them out after about 25 minutes, and I did grease these, of course, but I have not tried to free them ahead of time. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. That's the real good stuff there, kid.
Pops right out.
Let's pop that right onto a plate there.
Ooh.
Nice. See, you gotta love the texture of this. And cutting this in half, you can see, look at how that biscuit just puffed up and I don't know, you guys, McDonald's bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits when I was a kid, my favorite breakfast, and this totally reminds me of them, but better. So I definitely think y'all need to give this a try. Yes. Y'all, you gotta try it.